student class 11. Myself Sanjay Kumar Tiwari welcoming you to e-learning platform of St. Michael Higher Secondary. Students, in the last video uploaded, we concluded a lesson entitled Rangaj Marriage. You were instructed to write the question answer of that lesson in your copy, school homework copy that you have to buy from the school. Students, now today I have decided to start you a new lesson. That one is lesson number 4, Albert Einstein at school. Students, Albert Einstein is not a man who is not known to the whole world. He is an international personality, and in this lesson we shall come to know about some important points of his early life. Students, Albert was born in 1879 and died in 1955. He is regarded as the greatest scientific personality in the world, and in the following extract from the young Einstein, the well-known biographer Patrick Pringle describes the circumstances which led to Albert Einstein's expulsion from a German school. Students, it's a very much fortunate point that you are going to study a person, one who is an international personality, international scientist, who gave so many new things, not only to the world of science, rather to the rest of the world, and the whole world should feel proud of Einstein. What should be the purpose of education? Information gathering or insight information. 2 points are there. The first one is information gathering or insight information. Most of us waste years in learning facts by heart. We are rarely encouraged to go deep into the things which is essential for insight formation. Students, education system at present curbs individual thinking. If one question its utility, one is castigated and punished. So very important point related to our life has been highlighted here, that it should be information gathering or insight formation. Information should be gathered or it should be formed insight. Dear students, Albert Einstein, one of the greatest scientists of our times, was a rebel. Rebel is a noun here. It means the habit, the tendency that goes against the traditional settlement of life. He was expelled from a German school because he had the nasty habit of putting uncomfortable questions to his teachers. Dear students, it was the habit of the scientist Albert that he generally put uncomfortable questions to his teachers, and of ignoring and learning of things by heart. He was not of the opinion that the things should be learned by heart. This account of Albert Einstein's school days is a commentary on the system of education prevailing in Germany at any time. Students, it also makes us reflect on the kind of education which is bad and which is good. Students, Albert Einstein was studying in Munich for his diploma in a school. One day it so happened that his history teacher, Mr. Baron, asked him when the Prussians defeated the French at the Battle of Waterloo. Albert said that he didn't know. He frankly told his teacher that he saw no point in learning dates of events. It means he never wanted that the dates, important dates of history should be learned by heart. Students, he added that to him ideas are more important than facts and figures. The teacher got angry and he told Albert that his views and asked him to leave the school. It was an order from the teacher that Albert should not continue in this school, in that school where he was studying. What happened after that? Why did he not like his school? And what happened when he met with his cousin Elsa? And all those important points of his early life will be discussed in the next video. So students, watch it and get benefits from this video. The points I have raised and I have decided to make you aware of those points. Thank you.